I'm not.
Don't disrespect her.
Handle it. Over here. Hey, just come onto the grass. Ma'am, please come onto the grass. Please come onto the grass. Ma'am.
On March 28, 2025, a lawful traffic stop escalated into a multi-subject arrest for resisting without violence. Under Terry versus Ohio, a traffic violation provides the articulable suspicion required to initiate a stop. Pennsylvania versus Mimms and Maryland versus Wilson established that officers may issue binding safety directives to all vehicle occupants. Compliance is legally required. No discretionary exception exists.
Stay in the car! Stay in the car! Show me your hands! 53, step it up. Get on the ground right now! Get on the ground right now! I'm telling you right now to get on the ground! Get on the ground right now! Get on the ground. Back up. Back up to the car now. Back up to the car. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands, get out of my way. Get on the ground. 53, star more units. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. No, let her go. Let her go. Get on the ground. Back up. Back up. Back up right now. I'm telling you right now. Back up. Back up. I'm telling you right now. Back up.
I got him. He's up.
Okay. Okay.
He's up. I got him.
Back up. Back up. Back up. No. Back up. Back up. Back up. Back up. Listen to me. We don't even know what's going on. Back up. 53, we got 1 to 10. Back up. Hey, back up. Back up. Back up. Stand her up. Stand her up.
Grab my shoes. Oh my dear grandma.
Stand up.
Grab my. Bro, I don't care about nothing. You come out. Charge me for resistance. Oh my dear grandma.
Back her up. Back up. Back up. Get in this car.
I beg.
Get up in this car right now.
No, y'all some.
This car.
Bro, y'all some.
Let's go.
Oh my. Y'all some. I swear to God, y'all. I will spit on both of y'all.
No constitutional provision grants the right to remain in a public roadway during an active arrest. Officers may lawfully order bystanders to clear the area, and refusal creates independent criminal exposure under most state obstruction statutes. Resisting an officer without violence requires 3 elements. The officer was engaged in a lawful act. The subject knew the individual was law enforcement. And the subject intentionally obstructed that officer. All 3 are satisfied on the face of this footage. The First Amendment protects the right to record law enforcement in public, affirmed across multiple federal circuits. That right, however, does not override an otherwise lawful order to clear the roadway. Under Miranda versus Arizona, advisements apply before custodial interrogation, not before spontaneous statements. The subject's voluntary disclosures of intoxication are fully admissible. Voluntary intoxication is not a defense to resisting in the overwhelming majority of jurisdictions. The officer's response was legally accurate. The on-camera threat to spit on officers constitutes criminal threatening or assault, in most jurisdictions an offense entirely separate from resisting, and one the charging decision did not fully account for.
Get in the car.
Hey, handle me. Oh, front of me.
Hold her here.
Bro, stop touching me.
Put your feet up in the car.
Bro, my feet is in the car.
Get up in the car now.
Alright, step up, let's go.
You're under arrest. Get in the car.
My dad, come on, y'all.
Sit down.
Y'all know what time it is. My cousin definitely.
Okay, we don't know why you're even acting this way.
Bro,
I just told her Thursday.
my girl told.
She don't know what's going on.
You can fight the officers, okay?
She didn't fight y'all. She didn't fight y'all.
But it's cool.
We will
Back up.
Back up.
I'm not doing
I don't feel. Back the f up.
I'm not.
Get out of the street.
Hey, over here, ma'am. Over
Get
here.
on the grass.
Ma'am, over
Get
here.
on the grass. Get the on the grass.
Over here. Ma'am.
Excuse me. Don't talk to my daughter like that. I'm not her.
I'm not.
Don't disrespect her.
Handle it.
Over here.
Handle it.
Over here. Hey, just come onto the grass. Ma'am, please come onto the grass. Please come onto the grass.
Handle it.
Ma'am.
You're being really disrespectful to
Ma'am.
my reason.
Ma'am.
And I know this is office.
Please, ma'am.
You're being really fucking disrespectful.
I'm not doing anything. I'm not doing anything. Dude, I'm being nice. I'm not even yelling.
You making him act stupid.
Let's come this way, please. Let's come this way. I'm not doing anything, sir. Sir, I'm not doing anything. I'm talking nicely. I wasn't yelling at anyone. That wasn't me. Okay? Guys, over here. Guys, come this way. Hey, come this way out of the road.
She ain't fighting. Get
off the road.
Get out of here. Please come this way. Ma'am,
Everything
please.
is on camera.
Please just come this way to the
Y'all are
grass.
all on camera.
I know, come here to the
Turn
grass.
y'all
Please.
cameras up.
They are on.
Shut
Everybody
up.
calm down.
Shut up. Shut the up.
Calm
Take
down.
out what it says. It's what you will. Take it out. Stop.
Hey,
Stop.
step over here on the grass. On the grass, everyone.
Stop. Stop. She's talking.
She didn't do nothing to y'all.
Yes, she did.
Stop.
She got out of
He's
the car,
talking. Stop.
stepped up to me, and I told her to go back to the car. It's on.
Could you get her out of the road, please,
Shut
ma'am?
her up. Just shut the up.
Lawful order to get back in the car.
Shut the up.
I grabbed
Could you
I'm not
shut
talking.
the up though for 5 seconds? No, because y'all keep talking. I'm trying to control him and you at the same
Whose
fucking
car
time.
is this?
Mine.
Who was driving?
Me.
Your license and
And
insurance.
in the car.
Please get it.
We're right next to each other. We don't need to yell.
What you want on your birthday?
All right, she's going to cuffs.
What you want on your birthday?
All right, you're under arrest.
For what?
Right now, you're under arrest. We told you multiple times, get out of the roadway. You didn't want to listen. Look down at your feet right now. Where are you, ma'am?
Bro, I didn't. I was recording.
That's fine. You can do it from the roadway.
I didn't.
You're in the roadway. This is now out of the roadway. Stay right there.
You come in cuffs too tight.
What in your purse?
To mama.
You want it in your purse or your mom's? Your mom's.
Look, give my. Come on.
It can go in the purse, okay? There you go.
No, I want it to my mom.
Okay, hold on a second.
That out.
Give my phone and.
Okay.
Ma'am, give me a second here, okay? None of you people are listening
I'm
today.
getting detained?
Right now, you're arrested.
For what?
Right now, you have been resisting. You haven't been listening to us. We told you to get out of the roadway. You wanted to stay in the roadway.
I didn't realize I was in the roadway, sir. I'm under influence. Is y'all cameras on?
Yes, they are. That's not an excuse. Let's head this way now. 99, I got one in custody now.
Mom! Mom! Mom!
Right here. Separate your feet. Separate your feet.
I'm under arrest for nothing. For nothing. I'm sorry, can y'all please let me go?
I don't have time for this shit. Just got out and you doing the same.
Can you pick it up for me in the front?
Yep.
You know what?
I'm not really under arrest, so I'm gonna
Yep.
get it. What's today? Hey, put that in my purse.
You wanted your purse going to your mom.
Wait, hold on.
Stop reaching in your pocket, ma'am.
These are my car keys.
Okay, that's fine.
That's backwards.
Yep, that's fine. Got anything is there a front pocket on this side? No, there's not. Anything in here?
I was talking to her mama though.
Okay, that's fine. We're gonna go right over here, and you're gonna sit in the back here, okay?
Bro, I'm under.
Stay right here. That's fine, ma'am. Face the squad car. Face the squad.
I got it all.
Bro, I just got out of jail. I can't go back, bro. I really can't. Can y'all please just let me go? I'm sorry. I was sitting in the car, bro.
Well, you had multiple chances,
I'm under the influence. Yeah,
and that's not an excuse. Take a seat.
I'm under the influence. I can't
Okay,
go in there. I can't.
sit up.
You're gonna have to just sit up.
I can't, please. I can't.
This is a consequence to your actions.
Please, I can't go in here, please. No, please.
Well, then you shouldn't act the way you were acting.
I was just trying to make sure she was okay. I stepped in front of her to help y'all. I helped.
She was already in the back
It
of the
was
squad
you.
car.
No, when you
I was
took
the one-
her down.
I
and
didn't
you
take
put
her down.
It
That was the
you.
other one.
Okay, I helped y'all.
Okay, get your feet in the
Please,
squad.
No, I can't go in here. It's too claustrophobic
I'll
for
put
me.
the window
Please,
down
I
for you,
can't,
okay?
I can't breathe in here. I feel like I can't breathe right now. Please. just
You're
stop
talking
it.
fine.
No, you're just holding your breath.
Yeah. You're just acting like a fool.
I'm
Sit in.
holding my breath.
Put your legs in.
Please, I'm shaking so bad. I can't get in here. Please, please. If I go into asthma, it's gonna be on y'all.
Uh-huh. Put your feet in.
Please, no, I can't go in here.
Bam. Please put your
I've
feet
been
in.
in this before. I'm trying to tell
Uh-huh.
you.
And you're trying to play the game, not to go in here again.
I'm not trying to play the game, not to go in here.
Please put your
before
feet in
I
the
just
vehicle.
came.
I'm just gonna put the window down, yep.
Oh my damn grandma! Y'all so thirsty to send them all to the jail, you and I'll do whatever time you want me to do. You ass cops. Y'all some bro bullshit. They some bro. They so quick to arrest them up. Send me to jail, you ass cop. You a oh my damn grandma, you a
The officers receive a B+. Under Graham versus Connor, force is judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the scene, not in hindsight. Both arrests carry probable cause. The force continuum was correctly applied, verbal commands preceding physical control, no weapons deployed. Deductions. Repeated profanity towards subjects and bystanders elevates civil liability exposure, and the in-custody asthma disclosure was dismissed without dispatch notification, a formal duty of care obligation. The female subject receives a D. Over several minutes, she refused more than a dozen lawful commands to exit an active roadway, the foundational basis for the resisting charge. Her threat to spit on officers likely constitutes criminal threatening beyond what was charged. Her intoxication admission is not a defense. Concern for a family member is understandable. It is not legally relevant. The male subject receives a C-. Initial resistance established probable cause. Compliance after physical control, combined with a contextual reference to a recently deceased family member, prevented a lower grade. Conduct remained within the resisting without violence threshold. 3 lessons. First, compliance with a lawful command is a legal obligation, not an admission of guilt. Assert rights in court, not in the street. Second, spontaneous statements carry no Miranda shield. Voluntary disclosures of intoxication or prior record are admissible in full. Third, in-custody medical disclosures require documentation. Profanity under stress is tactically counterproductive and legally costly. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to analyze in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out channel Bodycam D Analysis for more police interaction and courtroom content.